Hey everyone, welcome back to English TV by Jessica. Today, Alex and I are diving into something super common but oh so tricky, how to use have, has, and had in real English conversations.
Absolutely, Jessica. I hear people mixing these up all the time. Even native speakers sometimes slip. But don't worry, listeners. If you're going crazy like I used to, we're here to make it fun and easy. No boring grammar books, just real talk.
Right? So let's pretend I'm the confused student. Alex, help me out. I'm always messing up have and has. Like I say she have and people stare at me like I grew a second head.
Oh man, that's classic. Tell me what's confusing you the most. Is it the present tense or throwing in had for the past?
All of it. I never know when to pick has over have, and had just feels like a wild card. People look at me weird when I say she have a car.
Gotcha. You're probably tangled up in have versus has, and yeah, had too. But listen, stop guessing and forget those endless tables. Today, we're unlocking the secret with simple, logical fun. But quick shout out to our awesome listeners. Support us by liking this episode and subscribing to English TV by Jessica.
Yes, please, hit that button now. Okay, I'm ready. Teach me the magic.
All right, let's kick off with the ear-piercing mistake I hear everywhere. You guilty of this one?
Probably. Spill it.
Do you have a brother?
Yep, his name's Mike.
Cool. Now ask if he owns a bike.
Does he has a bike?
Whoa, freeze. That's the huge myth. Does he has sounds okay in your head, but it's totally wrong.
What? It feels right. He's one person, so has, yeah?
Logic wants to say yes, but grammar says nope. You're thinking singular needs has, which is true, but only in positive statements.
Huh. So in a plain sentence, he has a bike is good.
Spot on. He has a bike. But questions, the word does flips everything.
Like does ruins the party?
Exactly. We gotta talk about the S sound rule first. English loves adding S for singular, like he, she, it.
Yeah, verbs get that S vibe.
But here's the key. Only one S per clause. If does has the S, then the verb can't.
Ooh, so does is like a thief stealing the S.
Yes, thief alert. So has loses its S and becomes have. Boom. Does he have a bike?
Mind blown. That makes sense. But before questions, let's nail the basics.
Smart move. Positive sentences first. We split the world into two teams, team have and team has.
Like a soccer match? I'm in.
Totally. Team have is the big squad. Who's on it?
Spill.
First, the VIP, I. Even though I'm one person, I have, never I has.
Got it. King's rule.
Next, plurals, we and they. We have fun. They have pizza.
Makes sense. More people, no S.
And you, even for one person, you have.
You have a great smile. Cool.
So team have, I, you, we, they.
Locked in. Now team has, the loners?
Yep, singular third person. He, she, it. They crave that S.
He has, she has, it has fur.
Perfect. What about the cat? It's it, so the cat has 9 lives.
And my friends, plural, so my friends have.
Yes, my friend has. See? Just match the subject.
This is like a game. John and I, that's we, so have.
Brilliant. The water has bubbles. Water's singular like it.
I get present tense now. Feels awesome.
Great job. Now past tense is a breeze.
Really? Past usually trips me up.
Not here. Enter had. H-A-D.
The hero?
Superhero. It brings everyone together. No teams.
Wait, I had and she had?
Yep, they had. The dog had a toy. Everyone uses had.
No singular or plural drama? Sweet.
If it's past, like with yesterday, just had. I had coffee yesterday. She had a party last week.
I had an old phone last year. Can I say I have yesterday?
Nope. time mix-up, like wearing flip-flops in a blizzard.
Bad fit. Test me. My friends pizza last night.
My friends had pizza last night.
My friend had pizza last night.
See? Always had. Foolproof.
What about negatives? I hadn't?
Old school. We use the thief again. Did.
Thief returns. Okay, hit me.
Golden rule. For questions or negatives, use helpers. Do, does, did, and they steal the verb form back to base.
Have. Always?
Yep. She has a book becomes question. Does she have a book? Does steals the S.
No does she has. Double S crime.
Exactly. Negative. She doesn't have a book.
Past, he had a cold. Question, did he have a cold?
Yes. Did steals the past, so back to have.
Crazy, but cool. Did you have, does he have, do they have?
Pattern locked. Main verb stays have. Safe zone.
Negative past, I time yesterday.
I didn't have time yesterday.
Flawless, he didn't have money.
This speeds up talking.
Totally. Now let's build with have. It's not just owning stuff.
Like, I have a car, possession.
Yep, but more. Family, like I have a sister, not owning her.
Relationships. She has a best friend. He has a boss.
Spot on. Who's in your circle? Next.
Health. How are you? I had a headache yesterday.
Illnesses. She has the flu. He has a sore throat.
Good. Abstract stuff. I don't have time.
Or she has an idea. We have a plan.
Concepts, yes. Features, too. You have green eyes.
The table has 3 legs. Parts not owning.
Busy verb. One more. Actions.
Like what?
I eat breakfast at 8, but natives say, I have breakfast at 8.
Have means eat?
In context, yeah. Let's have coffee. Softer than drink.
Grammar same? She has lunch.
And continuous, she is having lunch now.
But not I am having a car. Possession no ing.
Right. I am having a sandwich, eating it, action, okay.
Wow, have does everything.
Exactly. Have is like the Swiss Army knife of verbs, but let's not stop there. There's even more fun ways we use it in everyday chit-chat.
Oh yeah, let's dive into some idioms and expressions. These make your English sound super natural. For example, instead of saying, enjoy your time, we say, have a good time.
Have a good time, like, I had a good time at the party last night.
Spot on. It's not about owning time, it's about experiencing it. Have fun is another one. We're having fun learning this, right?
Totally. What about have a look? Does that mean possess a look?
No, it means take a look or check something out. Have a look at this picture. See? Action again.
Cool. She had a look around the store. Past tense.
Perfect. And have a seat means sit down. Please have a seat.
Or have a try. I want to have a try at that game.
Yes, Brits say have a go. Same idea. Now, what about body stuff? Have a baby.
Wait, she is having a baby? That's action, giving birth.
Exactly, not possession. They're having a baby next month. Continuous for ongoing.
But they have a baby means they own... Wait, no, relationship. They are parents.
Right, context matters. Have switches hats.
This is tricky but exciting. Let's talk about meals more. Have dinner means eat dinner.
Yep. What did you have for lunch? Not what did you eat for lunch? Both work, but have is casual.
I had a salad. Simple. I'm having pizza tonight.
Great. Drinks too. Have a beer means drink one.
Let's have a drink after work. Sounds inviting.
Absolutely. Now, events. Have a party means host or attend.
We had a party yesterday. Fun times.
Or have a meeting. We're having a meeting at 2 p.m.
Action, participating. Not we are meeting. That's also okay, but have is common in business.
Spot on. Health again. Have surgery. He had surgery last week.
Past. She's having an operation tomorrow.
Yes, scary, but grammar's easy.
What about have trouble? I have trouble understanding accents.
That's an expression for difficulty. She had trouble finding the place.
Abstract. Have a problem with something.
Do you have a problem with that? Classic line.
Or have an argument. They had an argument.
Means fought verbally. Action.
So many layers. Let's practice fixing mistakes.
Good idea. Say, my brother have 2 kids.
Wrong. Has. Singular he, she, it team.
Yes, my brother has 2 kids.
You has a question? No. You have. Team have.
Right. Question. Does you have time? Wait, helper wrong.
Do you have time? You uses do, not does.
Exactly. Past. I have a great vacation last summer. Mistake.
Had. Time zone.
Yep. Negative. She don't has money.
Double wrong. She doesn't have. Thief takes S.
Brilliant. Now continuous. I am having a house. No.
Possession. No ing. I have a house.
But I am having friends over. Action. Hosting.
Yes. Having for temporary actions.
Let's build sentences. Your turn. Describe your day using have, had.
I had breakfast at 8, then I had a meeting, now I have a headache.
Perfect mix. She has blue eyes, but she had brown hair as a kid.
Features and past change.
Now question. Did you have fun yesterday?
No. Did you have thief steals past?
Yes, we didn't have enough time.
Flawless. This feels automatic now.
See? Practice pays off. One more. The company have offices in Europe.
Has. Company is it, singular thing.
Or companies have, plural.
Got it. What about names? Apple has new phones.
Yes, brand as it.
Animals. Dogs has tails. No. Dogs have tails, plural.
Right, the dog has a tail.
Basics solid. Now idioms. Have a heart means be kind.
Have a heart, help me. Expression.
Have second thoughts. I'm having second thoughts about the trip.
Doubts, continuous for current feeling.
Have a word with someone. I need to have a word with you.
Means talk briefly, often seriously.
Useful. Have your cake and eat it too. Idiom for wanting everything.
Yeah, impossible desires.
So, have in conversations is everywhere. Possession, relations, actions, idioms.
Totally. Mastering it makes you sound native.
Let's try a role play. You're a waiter. What would you like to have?
I'll have the pasta. See? Ordering food.
Do you have reservations? Meaning bookings.
Yes, we have a table for 2.
Fun. Or at doctor, what symptoms do you have?
I have a cough and had a fever yesterday.
Mixing tenses.
Everyday stuff. Travel. Did you have a good flight?
Yes, but I had jet lag.
Common.
Shopping. Do they have this in blue?
Yes, we have it in stock.
Possession. Now abstract. Have faith. I have faith in you.
Encouraging.
Or have no idea. I have no idea what happened.
Yep, negative.
This verb is a beast, but we've tamed it.
True. Let's challenge. Make a sentence with all 3. Have, has, had.
She has a car that I had last year, but now I have a bike.
Nailed it.
Feels empowering. Thanks for breaking it down.
Anytime. Keep practicing in real convos.
For sure. What else? Oh, have to for obligation.
Wait, that's modal, like must. I have to go. But that's have as auxiliary.
She has to study, follows rules.
Had to, past. I had to leave early.
And questions. Do you have to work?
Yes, thief again. Have, not has.
Consistent. Negatives. I don't have to.
Easy.
But not continuous usually. I am having to. Weird.
Rarely. Stick to simple.
Gotcha. One more use. Perfect tenses, like I have eaten.
Advanced, but yeah, have as helper for present perfect.
She has gone. Singular.
I had seen it before. Past perfect.
Had helper.
But for basics, we've covered tons.
Listeners, try these in comments.
Yeah, share your sentences.
This has been eye-opening. Whew, what a ride. To sum it up, master the teams for have, I, you, we, they, and has, he, she, it, in present tense. Use had for everyone in past. Watch out for thief helpers like do, does, and did that force back to have in questions and negatives. And remember, have wears many hats, from owning stuff to actions, relationships, and idioms.
Yeah, practice these in real convos and you'll sound like a pro. Thanks for tuning in, folks.
See you next time on English TV by Jessica. Keep practicing.
Bye for now.